In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new track in Pro Tools. Now to do this, you first want to open your session, and I do have one track over here already, but I want to create a new one. So there's actually two ways to do this, or maybe even three. So the first one is going to be to simply double click over here below your current track, and one default track here is going to pop up just like this. And of course you can double click again, and it's going to add a new one as well. Then the second method is going to be to go to the track tab up top, and you want to click on new over here, and it's going to ask you what kind of track you want. You can select how many you want to create, if they are mono, stereo, or anything else, and you can of course select what track you want it to be. It could be audio, routing, MIDI, etc. And then here you can select if you want it to be in samples or ticks, and you can also give it a name. Now when you click on this create button, it's going to create it, but if you want multiple, you can click on this plus button over here, and it's going to add a new one as well. Okay, so you can then click on the create button, and there we go, we have our new track. You could also, as the third method, just press down Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard, which is going to also automatically add a new track in here. Okay, so that's really kind of all the ways you have to know. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.